Hey everyone, my name is Jane Maurice and welcome to the Beauty Beat. I've been a reporter here at Cleveland.com for the past several years, but I have also really developed a passion for makeup in the same years that I've been here. Outside of work, I am playing with makeup, buying makeup, researching, watching YouTube, all of the above. So I am not a trained professional, I'm just, your average Jane, but I thought it would be really cool to create content for this channel so I can show you how to create looks that you could do at home. Some of them will be simple, everyday looks like you see on my face right now. Some of them will be a little bit better suited for an event or for going out at night. And some of them might even be crazier, more outlandish, that you wouldn't necessarily wear out of the house, but are fun to put on your face anyways. So I hope you guys really enjoy the stuff that's to come on this channel. If you have any ideas, please email me. I will leave that information on the screen and in the box below, and I hope you enjoy.